Ever wondered how to peek behind the curtain and see all the juicy details about any token chilling on the Ethereum blockchain? Alright, first things first, let's head over to a block explorer. Etherscanio is a popular and reliable choice. Think of it as a Google for the blockchain. Now, you'll need the token's contract address. This is like its unique ID on the blockchain. Paste that address right into the search bar and hit enter. Boom, you're now looking at the token's info page here. You can see the token's name, symbol, current price, and a bunch of other goodies. Scroll down and you'll find the transaction history. This shows you every single transfer of that token, who sent it, who received it, and how much. It's like a real-time ledger. Further down, check out the holder distribution section. This reveals who owns the most tokens and how the tokens are spread out amongst the community. Finally, the profile summary provides key information such as token standard, website, and social media. And there you have it. You now have the power to explore any token on the Ethereum blockchain. Go forth and discover.